हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ internship opportunity that has came in Goldman Sachs. That is a very great company you might be knowing about. You might have heard about this company that gives a package of huge package of 50 lakhs, 51 lakhs. That depends on your job role. That is about the software engineer. But this is an internship, so you might have an idea that how much it is going to pay if you get an internship in this company. So we will be talking about the internship program, how to apply. We will be showing everything practically. We will be giving everything how to apply, for which link you need to click, which things you need to keep in mind before applying. So we will discuss about everything. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing it, because I will tell you many benefits. You will be getting notification about the job interviews, about the job updates that are coming, about the internship updates, about the part-time jobs. Everything you will be getting in this channel. So consider subscribing it, and before starting the video, please click on the like button. So the first step is that you need to open a browser. That is, I have opened my Chrome browser. You can use any browser and paste this link. This is the summer analyst program. In this link will be provided on my Telegram channel also. It is already posted on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel at the rate BAProgrammer24. That is a link of my Telegram channel, and you can get all the links and job updates there. Okay, and you will get many job updates there also. So just join that channel also. And what are the things? What are the first thing? That is summer analyst internship. That is the Goldman Sachs. This is a Goldman Sachs career page. Okay, here it is posted. It is for India. There, India, and summer internship program, that is for the 2021 year. They are recruiting for the 2021 year interns. Okay, so talking about the eligibility criteria, I will tell you one good news, that you all are eligible. If you are an undergraduate, you are graduating, you are into graduation, you have just completed your graduation, that is 2020 pass out, you can apply. 2021 can apply, 2022 can apply. Who all are studying in their colleges, who all are in their graduation, they all can apply. Okay, what is the program type? The program type will be about 8 to 10 weeks. The program will be there. You will be getting to know about the work culture of the company, how the company works, what are the live projects they are working, and you will be put into a team for the monitoring, that what are the things they are doing, how the things are being done in this company, how the projects are completed. So you will be getting to know many things in this company. And one more thing, that if you get to know about the work culture, about the internships, if you are working in this company for 8 to 10 weeks, you will be getting many information how to apply for the job also, and you are knowing about the job criteria, how much it pays for the job. Okay, so what is the deadline? The city is that Bangalore office your internship will be. That is not the work. It is not a work from home job internship. You need to go to Bangalore and you need to do this internship. What is the deadline? Deadline is not yet given. So applications for the 2021 program is now open. You can apply. This is the overviews that about the Goldman Sachs, and you can click on apply, and you will be you can apply for this internship. When I will click on apply this program, I will be redirected to a page that is showing about the summer internship. There is two types of internships here. First one is the summer analyst internship. Second one is the summer associate internship. Associate internship can be applied by MBA, JD, MD, LLM, who all are doing these things. They can apply for the associate role. Okay, you are the summer analyst internship, so you will click on your apply now button. So here is the first page of registration. Here you need to register yourself. You can also sign in with LinkedIn. I can also do that, but I have already made my account. I will just show you how to apply for this. Okay, when I will click on register, you need to just fill that information. So see, I have been redirected when I logged into my account, that I have already registered before only. So I just logged into the account, and I have got many things. Here I need to complete all these. Here I need to select all these, and these all options will be given. And what is the location? Only one location is there, that is Bangalore. What is the division that you want to go? Here engineering is not available right now, because they have got many applications related to engineering, so they have removed that option. It might be there that they can also give that option also later, but for now it is not there. Engineering column is not there, so that is okay. if you want to go into consumer investment management, anything, you can apply for this. Okay, work authorization, you need to complete all this. Then you need to complete all these things: contact information, education current. These are the things that you need to complete first. So when you will complete all this information, a tick mark will come, like I have completed this one, position preference. So all this tick mark will come like this, green tick mark, and I just need to click on agree, and a button will come to apply now. Okay, here it is not visible because I have not completed yet all the things. When you will complete all the things, you will be able to apply for this internship program, that is summer associate, summer analyst. Okay, summer analyst internship that you can apply, and it is a very good opportunity for you for the 2021 who are in 2021, 2022, 2020, any batch. If you are yet passed out, if you are not yet passed out, if you are just passed out, that is 2020 batch, so you can apply for this internship and you can get a good chance to work in this company. Goldman Sachs is a very big name, and internship in this company is very like it will be very beneficial for your career also. So just consider this and apply for this. So in this video, we have talked about everything, how to apply for the Goldman Sachs internship. The link is posted on my Telegram group. You can just join my Telegram group at the rate BAprogrammer24 and just click on the internship program and fill that application and do it as soon as possible, because it is a very good opportunity for you if you are just graduated or you are into the graduation. Okay, and the best part is that you have seen everything practically, so it will be an advantage for you when you are like filling the applications. So if you like this video, please like our video, click on the like button and like our video, and click on the subscribe button, press the bell icon too, so you never miss an update when we upload a video of any job notification, any internship opportunity, any part-time job, any interview tips, any interview experience. Just you will get all the things by hand on the notification itself as soon as I upload a video. So thank you for watching this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have been live there also, and resolving all the doubts. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.